Hey guys, what's up? Okay, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and thank you so much for subscribing. Who have just subscribed to my channel, welcome back. And if you're watching this for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Wherein I try, my name is Shiv, and I try and keep you updated about all the happenings on cryptocurrencies and blockchain space, especially in India and also around the world. So yes, so today's topic is pretty interesting. How many of you know about Microsoft? Almost everyone has heard about Microsoft and uses Microsoft, right? Microsoft is a $561 billion company as of today, and Ethereum, like I have spoken to you guys earlier in my videos, that Ethereum is a blockchain application which is going to decentralize everything and is being adopted by all these Fortune 500 company across the world. So Microsoft is one of them now. So Microsoft just announced that they are building a confidential consortium on Ethereum protocol. What it means is the companies, like large scale companies and the big operations, can process information confidentially, and this will also help these companies in the governance of information. And so this was announced by a CTO of Microsoft Azure called Mark Dasovich. So just imagine, guys, now these kind of news, adoption by the company Microsoft of Ethereum. Now this is a big news. I mean, this can boost the price of Ethereum like anything. It has already, for this month, if you talk about this year itself, as long as I remember, I still remember that Ethereum was being traded as about 10 US dollar. Today, just in about 6 months, Ethereum is being traded as 310 US dollar. I don't know, after this news, a company like Microsoft adopting Ethereum is a big news. And having a token of Ethereum is as good as having a stake into Ethereum, right? So I think this is going to boost the Ethereum price by I don't know, it may go up to 500 or whatever US dollar. So this is a very big news coming out. I will leave the description in the, the link in the description below, so that you can go ahead and read the entire news. So yeah, that's one thing. Another thing is that the Bitcoin pricing has already crossed 4 lakh rupees. So that's in India. If you're in India, it's about, no, it's not 4 lakh, sorry, it's about 3 lakh it has crossed. And yeah, so expected to probably reach maybe 4 or 5 lakh in a couple of months. So it's on fire, right? So I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are two cryptocurrencies and two applications that you need to actually pay attention to as of today, as of now. And so go ahead and share this video with people whom you think, yeah, still haven't heard about blockchain or haven't heard about cryptocurrency, or if they have heard about cryptocurrency but they have some different opinion and thoughts. Go ahead and share this video with those guys, so that though they come to know that if a company like Microsoft is adopting Ethereum to build a protocol, there has to be something really important, right? So that's it for now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this, and do let me know if any specific topic that you want me to make a video on, something like that. And do let me know if you have any questions, comments. Just share your feedback, guys. Every feedback will be appreciated. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, so that you are updated around all the happenings in cryptocurrencies, the blockchain space. And the knowledge is power, guys. Once you know everything, you know that when to take the right decision, right? So yes, thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day ahead, guys. Thank you.